Welcome back, boys and girls. You're on the Thairish Sun. Today we're going to be taking a trip together on a boat to see the pigs on Pig Island.
About 8:30 in the morning. Just making a cup of tea before we go and head off to Pig Island for the day.
So after I'd gotten the sleep out of my eyes, we made the journey from the Mai to the Koh Tan pier in the quieter Nam Muang region of Koh Samui, which we will cover in a later episode. Normally we take our bikes, but today we travelled by Longtail, which is similar to a tuk-tuk in many ways. After a few minutes at the pier and meeting up with our two friends, we were onto our own Longtail boat and off to Pig Island. The journey from one island to the other takes around 15 minutes and is a lovely experience. Once there, your driver will wait for you while you sunbathe, swim and meet the pigs. Now today is my mum's birthday, so I have the microphone and I have the gimbal, but I'm probably not going to bother with either of them because making the video is secondary to just having a nice time today. But I am going to get the camera out and make a few videos. So this is Pig Island. We just got here. Got a couple of friends with us. It's my mum's birthday, and we wanted to do something a little bit different and get off Koh Samui. So here we are at the picturesque, almost postcard-like Pig Island, which did have a different name. They changed it. The pigs apparently swam here from Koh Tan. So the pigs apparently swam across this patch of water, this beautiful patch of water, and made this new island their home. Let's go see the piggy wiggies. Hey little guy.
Em không phép đâu bé em. No, that way is right. That way is right. Big of the one in the very back. Here, when I see you. No.
Huh?
Whoa, look at his eye. He's missing an eye. It's bleeding.
Bleeding, wasn't it?
Check it on the side.
Oh yeah. Blood coming out of his eye.
The hair like straw.
And they're so peaceful, they just allow the people to kind of maul them, take photos with them, hang around them, and they don't seem to mind. This guy is very well fed, isn't he? The pigs are a welcome novelty, but this is what I'm here for. Sun, sand and swimming in that salty sea. Let's get out to our friends here and have a little swimmy swim. Let's go. Being silly. Most of the island is still uninhabited. There's this one corner of Pig Island where tourists come, and there is actually a few tourists here today. I'm counting around 25 people, I'd say.
picture when you think about Thailand. Being on one of them Longtail boats, coming across this beautiful water. 3, 2, 1.
Bit of snorkeling. Hey, D-Mac. This is the life, boys. Got a hand? Need help? And finally, it's time to head on to Koh Tan. So, if Wikipedia is to be believed, there are just 20 to 30 people living on this island these days. But back in the 1960s, there was around 500 people living here. And they moved to Samui because the wages were better. And so the island slowly sort of died off, even though that is Samui that we're looking at right there. That's how close they are to each other. And because people stopped living here, the school and the hospital are now closed. The last time I was here, which was before the pandemic, these businesses were still serving. But today the driver wasn't even really keen on bringing us to this island, on account of the fact that there is quite a bad litter problem down on the beachfront. So when things are back up and running, if you want to come to Koh Tan, do have accommodation right beside the restaurant and bar. Basically beachfront. Beachfront. There are options, as there always are in Thailand, for places to stay. In terms of how you get there, the location of the pier is on the screen now. Traditionally, you just show up there and the boat owners would compete for your attention, but with things as they are now, you're better advised to organise the tour in advance. In terms of fees, anywhere from 1,500 to 2,500 for 4 hours on your own private boat, depending on how many passengers are on board. I believe you could get 8 on board for 2,000 baht if you're any good at bartering. That's it for this one, lads. Please do subscribe, like and share to help us grow. We've been in the mid 100s for far too long now. Take care and see you next time.